Hi there, and welcome back to DreamStart Labs. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to a brand new feature on the DreamSave app that allows groups to use its social fund to not only make grant payments to its members, but to now also offer zero free interest rate loans to its members as well. Here's a scenario. Let's say that over the weekend, Gifty unexpectedly suffered flood damage to a store due to heavy rainfall and would like to request a loan from the social fund to help cover the cost of repairs. How could you go about doing so? Here's a couple of steps to follow. First, let's go to the Meetings tab and continue with the current meeting. We can go to Social Fund Payouts tab, and here we'll be able to see the transaction history currently with the social fund. And we can see that a grant has already been made from the fund. To take out a loan, let's click on the New Payout button. We'll see a pop-up screen asking us to select what kind of payout we'd like from the social fund today. We would like to make a loan, so let's click Loan and Next. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see that we can enter a lot of information to request our loan, but to note that no interest will be charged on these loans from the social fund. So how much does Gifty need today? Well, Gifty would need 100 cedi to help her cover some costs. When will the loan be due? In a month's time, so the 21st of October. Let's click OK. Who is this payout for? Let's click on Gifty. Okay. And enter the description for what the loan will be used for. Let's say store repairs. And add Gifty's signature. Finally, click Add New Loan. And there we can see all the information about the loan that Gifty just took out. Let's approve the loan. There. To double check the information about the loan is correct, we can go back into the loan that she just took out for store repairs. And we can see all the information that summarizes the amount of the loan, that it's a social loan, when the amount of the loan is due, what it's for, and who is the beneficiary of the loan. We can either click Done, or Gifty will have the option of removing this loan in case she no longer wants it or no longer needs it. In this case, Gifty does want the loan, so we can click Done. If no other member would like to make a payout from the social fund, let's click Done. Now, in case Gifty wants to make extra sure that her loan is being properly recorded, let's close this meeting. Do the closing signature, click Done, and Done. Let's back up now. Great. In case Gifty wants to make extra sure that her loan is properly recorded, she can go to the Setups tab and go to her member passbook. Let's find Gifty's name and click on it. And there, on the Overview tab underneath My Summary section, we can see that Gifty has an outstanding social loan of 100 cedi that's due on the 21st of October. She can also find out more information about that loan by going to the Loans tab, where she'll see that she took out a loan today, the loan amount, the interest rate that's due, and when that payment will be due. And there, it's as easy as that to request a loan from the social fund. I hope that's clear. Please join me in the next video where I'll go through how it's possible for a member to repay a loan from the social fund. Goodbye.